String formatting operators. It is one of the most exciting features of Python. So the string formatting operator is one of the most exciting feature of Python. The formatting operator is used to construct string. So here this percentage is the formatting. Percentage operator is used to replace the part of the string with the data stored in a variable. It means the example, name is equal to Rajarajan, mark is equal to 98. Print name percentage s and marks percentage d, percentage name comma mark. So this name and mark are the two variables. So formatting operator is used to construct the string, replacing the part of the string with the data stored in the variable. So this percentage s will be replaced with the data that was stored in the variable name and marks. So when we execute this program, we'll be getting the output as name. So print inside the double quotes name and marks was given. So first name will get printed, then percentage s. So percentage s refers to string. So this name, what is the name? It holds Rajarajan. So this first variable data will be replaced here. So name colon Rajarajan will be printed and marks. So what is the mark? That is 98. So 98 will be replaced here. So marks 98 will be printed. Formatting characters. So percentage C is for character, percentage D and percentage I represent signed decimal integer, percentage S represents string, U means unsigned decimal integer, percentage O represent octal integer, percentage X or capital X, that is hexadecimal integer, percentage E and capital E, exponential notation, percentage F, that is floating point number, and percentage G or capital G is for short numbers in floating point or exponential notation. So let us watch the simple practical example for string formatting operator. So the first example is, let us see the simple example. The first example is hello. Then what is the formatting operator should be used? Percentage yes. Then I want to give one decimal number, so percentage d is used. Then percentage 1.3 f for representing the floating point number. Then you want to replace all these percentage, that is formatting operator, with the data. So for mentioning the data, what you have to give? Percentage open bracket, then write it as world. So here hello percentage yes, I want to replace this percentage yes with the data world, so I'll be giving here as world, then comma, give another value for percentage d. So this percentage d should be replaced with the value 5, so I'll be giving as 5. Then percentage 1.3 float, so this formatting operator should be replaced with the number, so I will be giving us 3.0. Now press the enter key and check. We'll be getting us hello world 3.000. So here hello will get printed as it is, and this percentage s will be replaced with the value world. So world will get printed. Then this percentage d has been replaced with the value 5, so 5 got printed. Then percentage 1.3 float, so this 1.3 float, so decimal point, so it will be printing as 30, so 3.0 is given, so 3.000 will get printed. So let us see another simple example. Print of my name is the formatting operator, percentage s, and weight is percentage d, kilogram. Now use the formatting operator and give the data as Zara, 21. So press the enter key. So here it is, Zara and 21. Now if you see the output here, my name is will get printed as it is, and then this percentage yes. So this is the formatting string operator, so which will be replaced with the data that was stored inside the brackets. So here what it is given, this first string is Zara, so Zara will be replaced here. So Zara will get printed, and weight is will be getting printed as it is, and percentage D, that is, what is the percentage D value, that is 21. So 21 will be printed. Then what it is given, kilogram with 3 exclamatory symbol will be printed as it is. So this is another simple program. Let us see one more example for this is your book example. Mark is equal to 98. Print of name percentage yes and marks percentage B, percentage of name comma mark. Now can you see the output for this? It is name Rajarajan and marks 98. So name what it is for Rajarajan and marks is 98. So name will get printed as it is, and then this percentage yes has been replaced with the data stored in the name. What is the name variable? It holds Rajarajan. So Rajarajan will get printed. Then and marks will get printed. Percentage D will be replaced with the value that was stored in the marks. So what is the marks? It is holding 98. So 98 will get printed.